Yes, I was born in Fisz, and you know, famous city, and many culture. I played in theater. Very young, very talented. I played Ophelia, very good. So Hamlet, he was also the director of the Corps de Ballet. He told me, "You are so wonderful, so wonderful." And I told him, "You think so?" So he took me to a tour, a big tour in Europe. And you remember, we met there, yes. We met...
Wir haben sich getroffen in Bukarest.
In Bukarest.
Das ist im Jahre 1920.
So, Arturo was very good. He's a good pianist, you know. So I told him, "Arturo, you are not bad."
Du sollst was ich begehren, ich lieg und tracht.
Well, we go from Warsaw and then Bucharest, and then Budapest, and Wien, and then we go Paris.
Zwei Marmoren gegenüber und Harmonen schießen uns.
Yes, it was very lonely time, because we are good friends, Arturo and me, and but you know, a woman's life is not all about friendship or happiness. A woman's life is hard, especially if she is a talented actress.
Das Leben vergeht und kein Hoffnung ist mehr nicht da.
Help, help.
But this time we take this ship and we go to Egypt. We took camels to Palestine. Yes, that's right. It was nice. It was very lonely. Because camels, they don't talk. Palestine, yes, we won't come Palestine. Palestine is very romantic. Is Palestine.
Sie ihre Schwester in Palästina. Eine jüngere Schwester, was so.
It was practically yes, cool. Yes. I have a sister here, yes, but she is a clown. But I have to see her because he's my only sister. She's not half a sister, quarter sister. But she is, you know, she has children. And I jump.
Das ist leicht zu verstehen. Die Kapore ist die blaue Katze allein.
I love my audience. I love it in Paris, in United Kingdom, in Palestine. My audience is very, very good. They love me. The audience in Palestine, but the audience in Palestine, a little
Sun. A little rain. A little, sometimes it's a little socks.
A little socks.
Scooby-Doo-Doo, oh, bad.
I talked to Ben Gurion.